Hey guys, I kind of found this bird. My stepmom did, see? Yeah. And we're trying to help it because we lost his mom, so yeah. And we just don't know where its nest is, and we found it and it fell, and then it's got a shot. See? Birdie bird is scared. Yeah. Trying to keep it warm. It's just really hard to cover it. Yeah. Yeah, so I just don't know what to do with it. Yeah, so leave in the comments below if you know what to do, because I need to help this little guy. He tried his best. Yeah. So leave in the comments below if you know what happened. If you know what it should be, because yeah, we should have left it alone. Okay. See you later. Peace. Peace.